in today's age, every student want to be an YouTuber. AI का जमाना चल रहा है, गेम स्ट्रीमिंग करने हैं, ऐसी करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी वो चॉइस कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे फेम एंड पैसा दोनों एक साथ है. एज अ पेरेंट जिनके बच्चे 8th स्टैंडर्ड में है, 9th स्टैंडर्ड में है, छोटे छोटे वीडियो बना रहे हैं, व्लॉग कर रहे हैं, तो एज अ पेरेंट उन्होंने क्या करना चाहिए?
You have asked probably the most important question. So far, I have personally interacted with 200 plus students and some parents, and you'd be surprised to know at least 90% of them want to pick a career. They might have already picked a career. For example, there are people who want to get into IAS. There are people who want to get into being a YouTuber, gamer, or somebody wants to do XYZ, whatever the option may be. If you ask them, why do you want to do something? They give some answer, which is very generic. Then I again ask them, but why this? Why not anything else? Second level of why में ही पता चल जाता है that they're interested in it because it has a lot of money or a lot of fame. It's the worst decision you can make. Anything can have money and fame if you are great at it. And you will be great at something only if you love doing that work. Anybody that has done anything in life, even if somebody has taken over their family business of 1,000 crores, in the first year, they were not great at it. They were probably very bad at it. The only reason they moved from bad to great is because they kept working hard for 10, 5, 15, whatever amount of time it took. And you can only work hard in it if you love it so much. अब जो काम तुम्हें पसंद ही नहीं है उसमें तुम ग्रेट कैसे बनोगे? तो तुम कुछ भी काम करो, you should love it. And for you to know if you love it or not, you have to understand it. And for you to understand it, you have to experience it. So experience your career options and please do not choose careers because उसमें पैसा है, power है या बहुत fame है. कोई गलत नहीं है ये desire और ambition रखने में that मुझे बहुत पैसे कमाने हैं, right? Good. You know that out of these three, you're interested in money. But now only look at what kind of work you like to do. You will automatically figure a way to bring great money. Yeah.